We are going to be taking these round coasters that I found at Dollar General that were only $1.46 and turning them into 3 different types of moons. We are going to be using 3 types of paints on the coasters: black ink, metallic red, and white. Start with one coaster and start painting it black. The reason we are using black on the coaster is to transform the coaster into an eclipse-style moon. Let's paint the next coaster using the metallic red. This coaster will be a blood moon-style moon. However, for this coaster we are going to paint it twice with the metallic red. We are going to go back to the eclipse moon and add some black hole glitter to the moon. The reason I did this was to make it appear there were stars in front of the moon. Let's paint the last coaster using the white paint and turning the coaster into our everyday moon. We are going to be using Halloween stickers from Dollar Tree and Dollar General to give the moon some details. Starting with the blood moon, we are adding a flying witch, making it seem she's flying in front of the blood moon. We're also going to be adding some bats. Let's move on to the eclipse moon and add some flying bats across the moon. We have some skulls and we are going to be using a smaller skull that will fit perfectly on the moon. Once you place your skull on the moon, it's time to add some holographic glitter around the moon and skull. The name of the glitter is called Dazzling Chill. Here you have your moons created from coasters. You are now ready for them to be displayed with your other Halloween decorations.